Okay, so the car is fully packed and ready to go. When I say fully packed, I'm not exaggerating. Front to back. Even brought a couple of extra tents, just be on the safe side.
That's the most important thing.
And toasty Cheez-Its. All right. Well, back to putting $50 worth of gas in my car. Thank you, Joe Biden. So, even before COVID tried to snuff out my life and then put me in the hospital for 6 months, we always liked going on trips. And actually, we have some videos on here, YouTube videos, that some of the trips we've taken to Utah and Colorado and North Carolina and Florida, blah, blah, blah. But after COVID, it was very important to me to get back in the groove and to get out there. And one of our big trips recently, we went to Utah and did a lot of hikes out there and stuff. It was hard, but I did it. I walked up some pretty steep hills and rock faces, and I felt pretty good about myself. So I'm not letting COVID stop me and keep me from doing things we love. So today, really cool, my wife has planned a trip to Hocking Hills. It's April, it's kind of rainy and it's kind of cold, but tomorrow's my birthday, April 20th, 420, for those that might have some significant meaning. And so we're going to Hocking Hills, Ohio, if anybody's ever heard of that. We're going to go camping. We're going to do some hiking, and I'll put some of it up and let you see, how beautiful it really is. And we're just going to try to enjoy the weekend. Also, it's for our anniversary too. We got married on April 25th, so this is my wife was kind enough to plan this trip, and I really appreciate it. And we'll take you guys along. Thanks. Well, we've arrived. 3-hour drive. Not too bad a place. Kind of wet. Oh my gosh. Now all we do is find our camping spot. We're all good. What the heck? Is that my kids? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Which one are we looking for?
Right here.
Which site?
35 and 37.
What? So, I get here at Hocking Hills at the campground, and 2 of my daughters are already here, and we got it set up big time. We got, doing a little grandsons, playing football. Happy birthday to me, 67. I'm glad I made it that far. It's gonna be a fun weekend, can't wait. As you can see, it's early in the season, April. It's a little overcast today, but that's okay. You don't need to have bright sunshine to hike. And there's a lot of hiking trails here in Hocking Hills. We got our campsite all set up. Kids are trying to hit me with the football. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 tents. And my other granddaughter, number 1 granddaughter, is coming. She's going to set up her tent with her boyfriend. So we're going to have quite the crew here. As you can see, it's like I said, it's early in the season. We're the only ones camping here. The rest of this is campground, but they haven't even mowed the lawn. They just mowed our spots. So later on, we'll have a little dinner, little birthday celebration. 67 years old. Didn't think I was going to make it. Neither did they. I'm glad I did. Okay, now the fun begins. Here we go. All right, let's hit it. This is Old Man's Cave. Pretty cool. If it wasn't April and freezing, that looks like a good place to go for a swim. There's something you don't see every day. If I'm not mistaken, this is called Devil's Bathtub. I know people that jumped in that, although I don't think I'd want to jump in it. Pretty awesome though.
Are you making a video?
Yeah, if you ever get moving. Yeah, even though it's cold, this is the perfect time of year if you like waterfalls. It's been raining like crazy here in Ohio. And man, the water is flowing everywhere. Awesome. Wow. I've been to national parks that weren't this crowded. But it is pretty.
I'll stop doing that.
Sorry, Dad.
You're okay. No, you're fine. I'll just take a little video. Holy crap. What is this? What's your name? Tony. He does act like cousin Don all the time.
I think I know who dogs learn to be active, but
This is Ash Cave. It is pretty spectacular. Just another part of Hocking Hills State Park and Wayne National Forest. And again, look at all the peoples. But yeah, this is really cool. Wow. Very impressed by it. It just goes back in there. It's crazy. Man, I'd be lying if I said my hips and my knees weren't killing me right now. Stupid COVID. Not letting it stop me though.
Hey guys.
Just one word. If you're in a beautiful national park like this, or state park, with all this beautiful scenery, and you do stuff like this, you're an asshole. Period. Sorry for the language, but you're an asshole. What a beautiful sound. Bacon frying, and it's freaking 37 degrees out. Holy crap, holy. Man, we got a compound going on here. We got a tent city, but we got it. It's so good down there. We got a couple of fire rings down there. Hocking Hills Family Campground. It's pretty nice. Just a big old open lot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh.
Did you get yourself that?
My kids are so good. No, I didn't. My kids are so nice to put this on for me. Crystal cooking bacon. Yeah. I'm going too fast. And granddaughter Michelle down there.
This is how he parties on his birthday. Kinda melted.
Well, that's all right.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, thanks.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brian. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. We'll eat cake after that.
All right. And it's been a great 2 days, but all good things have to come to an end. Birthday's almost over. Sun's going down. Fire's rolling. Feels fantastic. My legs are killing me. It's been a long day. Put a lot of miles on the legs today, but it was fantastic. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks.